Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to lesson 4 of our Arabic alphabet series. Today we're learning the letter Thaa. Thaa, the fourth letter in the Arabic alphabet. This is the letter Thaa, and it's similar to the Ba and the Ta, except that it has 3 dots above. And it's written like this: a bowl shape from right to left, and these 3 dots above, right? This is important. The letter Thaa makes a sound similar to the TH in the English word three. And this English example is significant because it will help us remember that the Thaa is similar to the Ba and the Ta, except that it has 3 dots above. And in Arabic, the Thaa represents the sound like in the English word think, for example. Think. So this should be an easy sound for us as native English speakers. Now let's take a look at the different forms of the letter Thaa when it's written in a word. You can download this Arabic alphabet chart as well as the worksheets to follow along with me and practice your writing for free using the link below. So we see here the Thaa in its base form, right, which we just took a look at. And again, it's very similar to the Ba and the Ta, except that it has these 3 dots above it. So we write this letter from right to left, right? This bowl plus the 3 dots above, this bowl plus the 3 dots above, and again one more time, this bowl plus the 3 dots above, right? And this is the Thaa in its base form. At the beginning of a word, the Thaa looks like this, right? So we're not seeing anything new here other than the 3 dots above, right? But this is the same exact form or shape as the Ba and the Ta right at the beginning. And it's written the same way, right? We have this half bowl, right? And 3 dots above. And again, we draw this half bowl, 3 dots above, and again, half bowl, 3 dots above, right? In the middle of a word, the Thaa looks like this. It has the same exact form as the Ba and the Ta, except there's 3 dots above. Again, it's written the same way, right? Almost like a little wave in the ocean. So we have this little tail from the right side up, right? And complete this half bowl. And now we have 2 points on either end for the letter before it to connect to and for the letter after it to connect to, right? And then of course we can't forget these 3 dots, right? This is the sign of the Thaa. Again, draw this little wave, complete the half bowl, 3 dots, and again, draw this little wave, 3 dots above. And at the end of a word, the Thaa looks like this, right? Again, identical form to the Ba and the Ta, right? Except there's 3 dots above, right? So we draw this little tail, right? Connecting to the letter before it, and then we complete the Thaa, right? We complete this bowl shape with 3 dots above. And remember, Arabic script is written from right to left, right? So again, from the right, we draw this little tail, and then we complete the bowl, right? 3 dots above, and again, this little tail from the right to left. Complete the bowl, 3 dots above, right? Very simple, very straightforward. If you guys can write these letters out in each of their different forms, then mashallah, you guys are making great progress. This is not only going to help you develop your writing proficiency, it's going to help you to be able to recognize these words as you're reading, to develop your reading proficiency as well. And of course, writing them out is what's going to help you memorize these letters, especially in their different forms. So let's take a look at the Thaa in a word that you've probably heard before that is a very beneficial word to know. Thalatha. Thalatha, meaning 3. Okay, 3. And we see this letter Thaa at the beginning and just before the end, right? We see it twice. So we see how it's connected at the beginning here, right? With this half bowl, which gives the letter after it a nice little seat to connect to, right? And again, just before the last letter and 3 dots above, right? To distinguish it from the Ba and the Ta, right? So some key points to remember about the letter Thaa, right? When it's placed at the beginning of a word, it connects to the letters that come after it, as opposed to a letter like Alif, for example, which doesn't. Also, in its medial form, when it sits between 2 letters, it connects to both sides, right? And only connects from the right side in its final form. Don't forget to practice writing the letter Thaa in all of its forms, and also try to recognize it in the Quran and other Arabic texts. Join me in the next lesson for the letter Jim.